I'm here packing with my dog, and I just realized that we scheduled private transportation to pick us up at the airport, and they normally text us a day or a couple days before, letting us know like who the driver is. Ignore my doggy here. Bucky, sit down. Hey, look at the camera. Okay. So I'm gonna call them now and figure that out and make sure we have someone coming to get us.
So here we go again, it's no surprise, 'cause we know better than to roll the dice. So take this love and try to make it new. You can't fight it when it feels so true. You drive me crazy like no one else. The final moment before I lose myself.
Alright, I figured out the problem on why I didn't get a text, because they had a completely different number. I don't even know what number it was. It was some 267 area code. I don't know if this is something I did and it just randomly, you know how sometimes you're typing things on Google and it saves information. So I don't know if it just happened to save a random number or what, but we got that all squared away. So they have my number now, so we should be all good to go for getting picked up tonight. So let me get back to packing.
That's the stroller.
Yes, I have the stroller. Oh my gosh. All right, so we are on the way. So we packed everything up. We went and picked up Lucia. She was at my mother-in-law's while we were packing. My mother-in-law was so gracious to watch her, to give us a couple hours to pack and get all the things done. So we just stopped at Quick Check. It's like a convenience store. They sell like sandwiches and everything. So we picked up a sandwich. We ate that in the car.
Hey.
We're headed over.
Hey, Mommy.
What, baby?
Hey, you're going to the airport?
Yeah, we're going to the airport. So yeah, we're actually gonna go to Jose's airport where he works, and we're gonna switch cars, and we're gonna have his friend drive us to the airport so we don't have to pay for parking. So we're gonna do that now, and then we'll be on our way to the airport. Oh my God.
Mommy, I like this airplane.
You like the airplane?
All right, we made it through security, and Lucia's still working on her chicken nuggets from Quick Check. And we've got an hour, but a little over an hour actually before boarding. So yeah, we're just gonna get some drinks and
you're going to Disney, and you go to the airport, and the flight to Disney.
yeah. Thank you. All right, so we ordered 2 things of milk, and then we ordered, me and Jose both got a drink, so we're gonna have a drink.
Hey, Mommy.
We got about an hour before boarding.
Hey, Mommy.
Yes.
Hey, where's the cup?
I gotta get your Bubba. Your Bubba, go get it. Or you want to drink out of the straw? All right, we are getting ready to board. Lucia loves playing when she comes to the the Newark airport. She loves playing over here. So,
We're here.
Jose, are
How
you
about
excited?
we find a seat over here? That's our,
Okay, that's fine.
so we can just get the stroll.
Right here. I just landed in Orlando as usual. They got us in early, which is great because I think we were originally supposed to land at 8:40 and I think it is, let's see what time it is. It's like 8:30. We're already off the plane. So we're gonna go meet our driver and get on over to Target and do a Target order pickup and then head on over to Coronado. It looks like they already have our room ready. So yeah, it's gonna be a great time. We were able to get in early. And Lucia, she's obsessed with pulling her own luggage here. Careful, you're gonna fall. Alright, so Terminal C is amazing. They have the whole Walt Disney store here. I mentioned it in one of my videos, but I think my footage was kind of shaky and bad, so I'm kind of taking a break, slowing down because my husband had to stop and use the bathroom early.
Mommy!
Yeah!
Castle!
Yeah, we're gonna go there. Yeah, this is the newer Terminal C. You don't have to take the tram when you come in. It's the Universal store.
Mommy,
Daddy want to be the winner? No, we're gonna be the winner. Yeah. Oh my gosh, Daddy here. Daddy won. We gotta go right here, honey. We gotta take the elevator. So when you get off, you gotta go through 2 elevators if you're carrying a stroller. Otherwise, you could just take a otherwise, you could just take the escalator. Oh, they moved Pluto. Pluto used to be right here. They moved him. So yeah, if you're with stroller or a lot of luggage or someone with a disability, then you're gonna have to take 2 strollers or two elevators up to baggage claim.
There we go. Good job.
Okay, I think, can we fit on here?
Here, imagination becomes reality. Theme parks and attractions.
There's a wide load coming through.
Small business.
All right, here's the second elevator that I promised you guys about. So usually I walk to the left. There's elevators on both sides, left and right. I just always go left. Hence, at Epcot, I always go left over there too. Should get your phone out. Alright, so we just got checked in. We are in Casitas 3. I am a hot, sweaty, oily mess, so ignore that. But Lucia's totally sleeping, so I think that we're gonna call it a night. It's about 10 o'clock, 10:17. Alright, so Jose convinced me to walk around a little bit. I already have my face washed. I'm already in my pajamas, but you know, we're only here one night, so I guess we needed to come out here, right? So ignore my face here. Yeah, this beautiful, beautiful hotel. It is very large. I think for I've already been at 10,000 steps for today, and yeah, my lower back is killing me. So this is a little bit, to be honest, where we're staying, it's not that far of a walk. I think it just feels far right now, just because it's always like that on travel day, right? At least for me. So yes, we're just, the baby's been still sleeping, so we had her in bed and then I took her back out of bed so we could both walk around and check out stuff. So we're just walking around, but yeah, definitely very beautiful. It's more I've been definitely seeing more adults here than I've ever at any Disney resort. But there, like Jose pointed out, there are some like teenagers because I think they have some kind of cheer or dance competition going on. But yeah, beautiful, beautiful. I would stay here again, but maybe I would probably go back to the tower, like if Jose wasn't here, just to make life easier on us. Definitely nice. Definitely like more of like, you definitely see the conference vibe here. He has a lot of like different areas where you could like put your laptop or, you know, work over here. So everything is pretty much closed. I'm gonna have to show you in the morning, but that was the gift shop over there. It's definitely really nice, and I have to get a picture of this Disney's Coronado hidden Mickey on the wall. Very nice. I think we're gonna call it a night. So if you made it this far in the video, thanks for watching. We will see you in the next one or at Disney. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. I've been all